all doing awesome. Today I am going to share about a story which I felt really inspiring and which I felt really helps anyone to come out of their depressing thoughts if they have any, because of the feeling that life is so tough. So coming to myself, my name is Abhinay and it's day 60 of 1000 days Facebook live, and today is the second time I came on live after 12 a.m. I have been occupied with one work, because of which there is this delay. And when it comes to this story, I came across it through status of one of my friends, and I was so moved by it, and I felt like sharing that story in this Facebook live. So coming to it, you or me, anyone, we need two parents. Like, in order to be born, we need two parents, four grandparents, eight great grandparents, 16 second great grandparents. In that way, we need 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. In that way, up to 2048. When it comes to that level, it becomes like 2048 ninth great grandparents. That means we require 4096 ancestors in the span of 400 years to be born. In this span, just imagine how many struggles they must have endured, how many happy moments they must have experienced, how many sad moments, how many struggles, and how many love stories that must be there. And also, you can just imagine how many hopes for the future that are there, that they have had in this span. So compared to all the struggles, pain and pleasure and all those things, I feel nothing is greater than that. So if you have come this far, it means you can also do a lot of things as well. So all the phases shall pass. I hope this really helps you. Thank you for staying till then. Bye bye.